So I said I was gonna make a video that was a little more extensive on some of the things that we did around here and why we did them. So the reason why these boards start away from a wall like this is because I wanted to set the boards up so that they would find this seam and we would be seamless on the front of this fireplace. So what I'll do is I'll come back and I'll pull out this board right here that you see my foot on, and then I'll put my last two pieces in and finish out to the wall, because we don't, anyway, so that's why we did that. We got real lucky because when we added the hardy backer and then the tile to this area, down here where you see my foot, it brought the height exactly to where the floor was going to end up, so we didn't have to use any transitional pieces like a T-molding or a multi-surface reducer, which is very cool because it always looks weird when you have different heights. Same thing with the kitchen. We got lucky here too. It's right straight across. So pretty excited about that. Some of the other things we did, the beam up here, still got to tuck that electrical away. That electrical is going to go up and it's going to come down onto this wall because we need a switch for this light right here. And that switch used to be right about here, or right about here where the wall used to be. So that's got to come up and we got to make a new home for it. But anyway, back to the, sorry about shaking around a little bit. Back to the beam. So this is a load-bearing wall. Load-bearing wall means that if you remove it, you've just taken the chance of having the roof cave in on you, basically, because it supports the roof. So you can remove load-bearing walls, but you have to be very careful with them. And what we did in this case was on this side of the wall, the same beam, right up here, we built a temporary wall. And that supported the roof structure while we ripped out the existing wall and put the beam in place. And then once the beam's in place, it holds the structure of the roof up. And we also actually had to do that when we put the French door in over here as well, because that's the exterior wall. And of course, all exterior walls are load-bearing walls. So that's your educational video for the day. I'm going to be putting this up on a YouTube channel, so subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of stuff. I'll be going through the whole house and showing you different things, like how the nail gun works, because this is a wood floor. This is not laminate, so you can't do this in one day because you're dealing with a lot of cuts and nailing it down. And the fact that this, it's real wood, so this is 3/4 of an inch, oak, which most people don't even do in a flip. In flips, a lot of people just do laminate floors or engineered hardwood floors. They're much easier to install and cheap. But we wanted something that would last a long time, being that it's 3/4 inch. This floor can be resurfaced and resurfaced and resurfaced over the years. Anyway, that's it. We'll catch you on the next one. All right. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, leave me some comments so that I know you want to see more of these films. All right. Thanks. Bye.